So now for the meaty portion. This is what the bottoms of one of the better of the rotten posts look like. It was patched at one point by somebody else, but it largely is eaten away and deteriorated. So there's maybe 1.5 inches by about 4 inches that was actually supporting anything.
Hello everybody. So on this project I was going in for initial scoping with the owner who had concerns about potential rot and potential water damage. So I took my moisture tester to this and tried to gauge how bad the project was. Unknown to me at the time, the owner shared at a later time that they had somebody else come through and previously repair this in years prior. So the degraded structure that I was looking at for most of this was not necessarily easy to gauge off the beginning. So I went into this thinking that maybe I might have been able to replace some sections and repair some things without a major project being involved. Later on, as you saw at the beginning of this video, the posts were fairly rotten overall, and that there was a substantial amount of work that went into rebuilding and basically just refinishing this entire structure. So I hope you enjoy these episodes. This one is just to showcase what I went through in attempting to try and come up with a bit of a smaller scope overall for the project. Ultimately, you'll see a lot more, including almost up to the point where it gets painted. I actually haven't been back to this job since, as I've been too busy, but as you can see here, there was a fair bit of rot that was present in this one post, and I figured I might only have to replace this one and maybe one other one. But as soon as I removed that collar at the bottom down there, I found that about 1/3 of the post, or even half of the post, was only remaining inside there, as it just kept falling apart. It's an exciting one. It was a fun one, and got to do a lot of really enjoyable work for this lovely set of owners at this project. Hope you enjoy.
Okay, so material checklist per column: 1x8, 1 foot times 4, collar caps 8 inches times 4. We've got cove mold and caulking. The overall height for this and these half balusters might be a problem in finding the exact same or making the exact same work afterwards. Quick look over here. Shows that the existing one was just cut and replaced as is. Likely might be the best course of action across here. This may need a full replacement rather than a partial for the half column or baluster.